Why is it that when you and somebody having any form of conversation, if the points that are made are stronger than the points that you make, the very next thing you say is bottom? What is the infatuation with you and bottom and making out people to be gay? What is it? Bottom. What is it with you and bottom? If we put all the artists you call Batman on a stage show, what is a ram? You know what I'm saying? Just the artists you call Batman alone. You see you call Intense Batman, Conscience Batman, Vegas Batman, Bounty Killer Batman, Beanie Man, no, I don't hear call Beanie Man Batman. You call Rasta them Batman, Alkaline Batman, you call Massacre Batman, you call everybody is a Batman? No, tell me. See? Why your vocabulary is so limited? Why you can't trade points and get your point across without being sending everything in one batty direction and then complain?
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers really know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beating it can't see upon on the screen. The things is getting real ugly, you know, my people. Right now, Foota landlady is thinking about suing Mr. Vegas and Konshens because they accused, you know, of her being one chichi man. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because Mr. Vegas is like, yo, she identifies as one of them. Anyways, listen, man, I say, and Foota Hype got the thing twisted with Bounty Killer because him out here defend Bounty Killer. The read up 13-year-old, listen, man, I say, and Foota Hype, I say, you know, the synthetic fake, meaning the birth certificate. So, Mr. Vegas is letting him know he has the original, amongst other things. Listen, man, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But before we get into that, let's say what Foota Hype has to say about, you know, this whole idea with them landlady and things, you see my son. And then we'll hear Mr. Vegas talk about, you know, everything else aside.
The YN fish, I don't know if you hear what him say, oh, him did go sue me, but him change his mind. I don't know who him really thinks that him can intimidate. So, the YN fish now make the biggest mistake in life. Him talk about lawsuit, you know, and just set up himself for the biggest lawsuit in the world. You see the lady in the video, in that picture? We take the picture. I'm a landlady. And she owned the house. See? People were close to me know her. Look how the boy them fool now. See? The young fish post it and says a man in tights. Him put a disclaimer. Say it's not him created and it's not AI. I made it post it on my page. But him don't understand, say, the caption incriminate him because him said the woman is a man. And accuse her of being a man. Hurt the woman image, hurt her likeness. Remember me a public figure. My picture you can do what you want to do with it. Because it's out there for public use. She's not a public figure. She own her property, she own her house. A woman who have her big education and her money and can and will carry them to court. Look how they set up on herself. Look how they set up on herself. Now, if somebody sue me not have dollar for nobody get. Them have got to take two of my old shoes and two old something and two. Me not have nothing for them.
Well, anyway, people, let's say what Mr. Vegas have to say about this whole idea with Bounty Killer and, you know, Foota Hype, you know, supporting the Chich community while him burn out the local one, them like Spice and all of these people, him love to mention.
Foota Hype have to go down, Pedro boy have to go down. Them have to go down. All who not tired to see me on the internet, this is the revelation. This is them judgment. And the same youth, this way they try to fight out for years in the dancehall, we survive them. And me come now. I dance pan them grave. Them have to go down. Them have to go down. Me say Foota Hype and him father have to go down. Have to go down. Have to go down. Foota upon him daddy, I have to go down. I want him to know. But you man name, I want him to your boy, you have to go down. Listen, a spoon just a try to see your face. Let me find spoon there, hold on there. Let me find spoon there. For a spoon there, need to get strawberry, that spoon there. What spoon there? What spoon there? Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya.
I know me not going on my vault yet.
Go in your vault, you nastiness. Go in your vault. Go in your vault. I was spoon there. What's the best?
When killer 21, and the all red and white birth certificate I use them time. All one. Can remember say a red and white first, then it changed to black and white. Change from red and white to black and white. See? Then, after black and white, it come to the new one now, will look like our certificate. So, when killer 21, the girl pregnant another birth certificate they want to see, and killer did sign the birth certificate.
What him just say? Say him no. Dancehall Epstein. Tell them stop go to go represent you. Dancehall Epstein. Tell them stop go represent you. Them not so slow flow now do no good. If next idiot, we not even want to mention him because I look attention. Now do no good. And me think same you know say Dancehall Epstein. You know say still have your pedo boy. The boy still have you up, you know. You know say the boy have you up. The boy I will father so like the father so the son can't tame, you know. You know say he man have you up. You know a purpose him just do that for. A purpose him just do that for, you know. When he say you sign the birth paper, you know. When gee.
Intelligence them play with a we.
What?
When killer 21, and the all red and white birth certificate I use them time. All one. Can remember say a red and white first, then it changed to black and white. Change from red and white to black and white. See? Then, after black and white, it come to the new one now, will look like our certificate. So, when killer 21, the girl pregnant another birth certificate they want to see, and killer did sign the birth certificate.
Eating strawberries again.
Remember the logics. Him say when killer 21. When killer 21, how can a birth certificate are in the place? Yeah? So them go edit and forge up one birth certificate. Zine and I go on like and that come out of there to the people living that they know say I saw birth certificate look. On the stupid. Very.
Let me assist you, Spoonhead. I'm going to put you a little bit out of your misery a little bit. Because I say you struggle. And I don't want your father to hate you no more. Spoonhead. You have the original, you know. Actually, I don't want them block the page. Because they report me already. I have the Spoonhead. I have the original. Spoonhead, let me give you a prips. Spoonhead, look here. Spoonhead. Me have the original. Oh, you see. Spoonhead. Me have the original. Let me show you your father name. Let me show you your father name. And the 21. Because they mash up the page. Now you see, now you don't. Spoonhead. Spoonhead, leave it alone. Spoonhead, Spoonhead, don't take on that something here. Let me tell you what you need to worry about, Spoonhead. Let me tell you the biggest thing you need to worry about. Straight nation done it there, you know. Straight nation done it there, Spoonhead. Because you come out come confirm. You come out, you come confirm say, you came out and confirmed, say, make this sense to me? You find it? Okay. You came out and confirmed. So use the tenant. You're living at the house. Mighty God of Daniel. Your money is spent with people from the LGBTQ community according to what she's posting. Your money is being spent with two women who live together according to what she's posting, saying mama and mommy for the child that was born, not daddy and mommy. Mama and mommy, spooned. Loud as up me. Loud as up me, spooned. And hear me I say. You know, so I never go on Shibada page yet. I not even entertain Shibada. I look on Shibada. You know, so I can't even look on a wingworm there. How do you find stomach for look on Shibada? If you take Shibada, something you want to put on the page. I don't understand. Yo, either you and your father, it seems you and your father, something happened. Something happened with you and your father. And a lot of men in Jamaica go through enough things. Sexual assault and them something they are traumatized. Hurt people. Because I cannot understand how you say on the street and when I post things on Shibada. I wouldn't even go up on Shibada page. If I see something on the internet and I see anything like shit, I just quick and scroll past it. I not even stop and look. It's crazy. How a straight man for entertain things with, I mean, see the whole of vloggers, them a do it, and how wanna do that? Like, this man a openly gay. I wanna post things from him. Leave spooned. Try and figure out how you gotta deal with straight nation and tell them, say, you are living with two women, it seems, based on the post them, we have children and them identified as man or woman, one of the woman, and one of the woman posted when the baby was born that now is mama and mommy. So clearly, according to the post them, this woman is from the LGBTQ community. The question we want to ask is, why did you want poison coffee? Why did you want poison Layla Ike? Why you call Chronics them Batman? Why you call Mutabaruka Batman? Because they never stop deal with Layla Ike and coffee. No. Why went so far with you and Spice where it got so you know, it built up to such, you know, bad energy where Spice have to tell about your mother. Because remember, say you never want Spice go to the LGBTQ party, you know. And that make your Spice kick off, you know. So how you share a house and pay rent to people who identify in other community there openly, and you there over the page all like them picture. What come on, Jamaica. Can we not do this, please? Because obviously say Foota is a shaky man. Why we not? What are we arguing about here? Foota is a fish. Foota has been living in the closet. Foota come admit now, says not him woman. Him a pay rent. And we see the woman in the mirror behind him. Or the woman identified as man in a ballad and tights, if it's the same, look like the same person that they tattoo them. And like she just dressed Foota. How the people, this is not even like no ranting on the internet or no vlogging business, brethren. Let's be serious now, brethren. Because this is something where prevalent now in society, where a lot of gay men come out and act straight, them go and them have relationship with the woman them shit up the woman Them come out and them burn out this and burn out that, and them are the one in the closet that do them things. Foota, you need for just come out straight and say you're a part of the community. You live with these women according to what you say now. You're paying rent to these women. You put your bun. You say you don't want coffee in Jamaica. You say you don't want Dr. Love manage Nigeria boy because you don't want Dr. Love make the money out. You don't want the Batman make the money out of music. So how comes people from the LGBTQ community I take your hard-earned selecting money with your ball out your voice? You couldn't live nowhere else. And you come out now and incriminate yourself, you know. And I make the world know say you want dog shit, you know. When me I tell the people them long time say, yo, the boy you want dog shit. People, this is not like me I go after them now, we bridging. Me I point out them hypocrisy. You know, say coffee. When a coffee family link me, you know, and I tell me how the family are worried about coffee, you know. Like these people that this man was sending violent threat to. And I hope the persons them will live with him. The mama and papa will live, the mama and mama will live with him. Mama and mommy. Right? Mama and mommy will have the baby. Right? I hope these people know that you are out here saying that a little girl must be unalived because you remember you have evidence of them people in other community then. You have evidence because them have picture and them something there on our page I like her picture them. Or I like him picture them. I don't know if I apologize if I call you her and you identify as him. I don't know. I just sorry. Alright? Because me use Foota so we must say a plan for sue. Foota out there promote so we must sue. I don't know what I'm going to sue for because all I'm talking about is what is on the internet. Right? But Foota encouraging people from the LGBTQ community to sue.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you're loving the drama, because remember, say we now get that thing, you know. So whatever thing we're getting, we just have to get it. You see me, so big up everybody that's watching. You see me, I say, because it's really about to get messy in the new year, you know, my people. Yes, this is just why the new year not even start and it's right around the corner. So you know a bear war kick off another year. So you know what to do, right? Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.